Well, welcome back to Rendezvous Ranch. Today, my wife's headlight is out. So, we're going to walk over here to this scrap vehicle, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the headlight out of this. Okay, you see these tabs? You need to pull them up. That unlocks it. That's stuck in there. Stuck on this adjuster here. Are you getting all this? You don't have to take it all the way out. And you want to turn it up toward the sky. And whatever you do not touch that bulb. You have to pull this out. There we go. And we just put this back in here. We'll leave it a little loose, that way we don't have to mess with it. And then shut the hood. This was a really good Explorer before it got crashed. But that happens. See, now we got a whole spare vehicle. We have to be a little bit more gentle with this one because we're using it. Trying to see what the year is on this one. This is a 2004. That one's a 2005. You see these tabs?
Yep.
You have to pull these up. That unlocks it.
It's trying to be stubborn, isn't it?
When the work's all done and the sunset low, hold up a fiddle and rosin up the bow. Kids are asleep, so I keep it kind of low. Thank God I'm a country boy. My place sounded good, no day rock good, but the
Well, don't do that if you can help it.
Was that the thing that hoods it in place?
Yeah.
take it very good, so I fiddle when I can, wet when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. When I got me a fine one, I got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I put keys on the wheel. I think I'm a good funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy. I wouldn't trade my life for diamonds or jewels. I never was.
Makes it hard when you got man hands. All right, same concept. Can you see? You got to press down on this little lever and pull it out. As you can see, one circuit. That one's got a complete flowing in the yard here. Out of nowhere.
Oh, let's see the ball. Yeah.
Now you want to take it and you want to be gentle because go turn your headlights on. I'll do it.
Yeah, it works.
Now's the fun part, getting back in there without messing it up.
Ain't much room in there, is there?
Stand over here, Emily. See a little bit better. Almost. There.
Yay!
Work.
Whereas daytime it's just a little harder to see than it